recording this session. So what I'll do is I would like to delete the other half. Just press 4, select this. So make sure the right sided edges should not be selected. Then I'm deleting this. I want only the half part. Okay, that's fine here. So let me do the leg part today. So to do the leg part, it's quite simple. I'm just bringing this here. Control space. So when I do control space, so automatically the area is going to enlarge. Hence, it will automatically turn off the UI elements and all. Okay. So here, always look on the side and in the front here. Okay. So I'm selecting this edge. That means the entire loop is going to select. Just I'm going to make it like this. So shift right click, extrude. Just bring it down up to here. It's like this here. Okay. So only one time you do the extrude, then here we need to fix it. So it's like just a minute. Okay. So it's like here when you see the thigh part here, it won't be like so straight. So what I'll do here is go to the vertex part here, push it inside and like this. This also it should be like this. This also it should be like this. Something like this. So next what I'll do again, select this edge. I'm gonna extrude this, bring it down like this. Meanwhile, I make it like this. See from here you have to do five extrude, and the knee part it is 3. Then from after knee to ankle again 5. Okay, this many extrudes you have to do. extrude. You need to check both the side. Okay, here this particular part, if you make this smoother, see, then rest entire leg part is smoother. See,
Mm.
okay. Then I extrude this. It comes up to here. Then scale it globally like this. It's okay here. So I'm gonna rotate a bit. Then I again extrude this. So come down here, this particular part. I'm gonna make it like this. Then I extrude this again here, this part. Then I again extrude this here. Like this. If you have this fish muscles here, you need to work on this. So again I extrude. Like this. Okay. So it's like this. Okay. After this, what I'll do. So here, this thigh part, this particular cock muscle spot. So I would like to add two new. Uh, uh, See, hold shift right click. Just select the object, be in object mode. Hold shift right click. You can go to insert edge loop. So one I would like to add here, one loop, and one loop I like to add here. Okay. I'll add one loop here. It's like this. See, like this kind of output it is. Then after this, here this particular part, so just feel your, this particular part. You need to touch and see where muscles will come, where it won't come. So we need to work on this. Okay. And if you just look at the reference, this is something like this only. See the knee part, leg part, here the muscle part. Here we need to work on the muscle part. Anyhow, see, I have gone through the reference in detail so much, like I can visualize, I can remember. What you have to do is, you need to uh, refer this, import the back image, for example, body, source images, the back part. See here, see this part.
Yes.
You should observe this. And the front leg part, it's like this. You have this detail. You need to work on this. So that's what I'm doing here. I'll come to front view. Match this. Okay. So I'll come to perspective here. These things should come outside like this. This should be a bit inside, whereas this should be outside. Like this. Within this particular mesh only we need to play around, then only we can achieve. Okay, see, it's like this. In hard mode and in soft mode, in both the mode, you have to refer this. Okay, see here, this particular muscle, we are adding more and more volume. Okay, the leg part is done. Okay, see, in the hard mode it is looking like this. Okay, so what I'll
Yes.
do is I'll edit delete by type history. Then I mirror this in minus x-axis. In mirror, what I'll do, the threshold 0.01. So this is what it looks, 3. When I press smooth, this part is done. See?
Oh,
See the
yes.
part, how detailed it is. Okay? Calf muscles, fish muscles here, knee part, everything has been done. Okay? Will you do up to here, Ulila?
Yes.
Okay. So do step by step. Okay? Refer
Okay.
earlier videos. Complete only the leg part, till leg part. Okay? Take some time, it takes time.
Okay.
So you do this. I'll upload this video. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, well, refer the classroom presentation also. Okay. Tomorrow,
Yes.
next class, we'll do hand part.
All right.
Okay.